I might rock the dome for this one, if you don't mind, for reasons which will directly become obvious. This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, trusted by more than 10 million dudes worldwide for their awesome grooming gear and related hygiene products and their premium boxer briefs. But today, Manscaped is rising up and pushing beyond the groin, polishing things off with the all-new Dome Shaver Pro. This is a fairly self-explanatory concept, I'd suggest, and a welcome relief to you if your thick mane of hair up top is in the same state as mine, i.e., a distant memory. Hair above the ears is overrated, not to mention redundant, and what matters now is facing the future with the smoothest and freshest dome possible. And this, I'd suggest, is the perfect tool for achieving that. It's hard to miss the Dome Shaver Pro's 5 premium rotary blades. They're specifically optimised for upstairs operations, giving you a clean, smooth dome every time. The blades feature Manscaped's signature skin-safe technology, so you can shave with confidence, knowing nicks and cuts are far less likely. That's always a plus. The Dome Shaver Pro is fully waterproof, meaning it rolls with both in-shower and dry operations, and cleanup is a breeze under running water. It features Flex Adjust technology, which maintains each blade in close contact with your dome, adjusting on the fly to your unique contours. You get a more precise and comfortable shave, even if you have a comparatively unique head. This thing honks too. I know that's a technical engineering term. It's powered by a high-performance 9,500 RPM motor, so vestigial hair upstairs really doesn't stand a chance, and it's an endurance monster. The rechargeable battery on board delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime per charge, which boils down to several dome shaves before you need to recharge. Speaking of which, it is compatible with USB-C and wireless charging. And check this out, the head is magnetic. How clever is that? So if you need to change the blades, that's kind of easy, and clean up under running water is just dead simple. You pop the head off, you run it under water, dry it off, back together, good to go. It's also an ergonomic triumph. Like, there is no position around one's dome where holding this thing is uncomfortable. And in my experience, the right tools just fall into your hand and feel right. And this is exactly that. It's a triumph of industrial design. And if you need to polish things up on the go, the travel lock feature rocks. You just activate it with a short press and hold, and then you can toss your shaver in a bag and not worry about the battery being DOA. Complementing the Dome Shaver Pro is the Dome Soother Head Aftershave Lotion. It's dermatologist tested and formulated specifically for upstairs application. Manscaped tells me the Dome Soother is infused with soothing ingredients including aloe, gotu kola, and colloidal oats. And frankly, I only got 2 out of 3 on that. Like, I know what aloe is, and I absolutely know what oats are, but gotu kola? Had to look that one up. It's a herb in the parsley family with a long history of effectiveness and utility in Chinese medicine, dating back centuries. Who knew? Anyway, all I can tell you is that it's soothing and refreshing, and it smells kind of green, in as much as green is a smell. It's alcohol-free, so it doesn't burn like aftershave. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, phthalates, and dyes. Dome Soother feels and smells great. Having used it several times now, I'm a total convert. The Dome Shaver Pro is officially part of my grooming repertoire. Like, it's fast and efficient and simple and safe. I'm done with that chainsaw, that Bowie knife, that angle grinder. And you might see this as me taking the easy way out, but I would argue au contraire. Grooming does not have to be a Cirque du Soleil activity. The Dome Shaver Pro has grunt and performance. The 5 high-performance rotary blades do a great job conforming to one's top floor topography. Skin Safe is such a confidence booster. It's easy to use and recharge this thing, and the battery life is astonishing. Plus, the waterproof and clean-up features and the travel lock means every box gets a huge tick. If you're ready to elevate your grooming game, go to manscaped.com/autoexpert and use promo code AEJC to get 20% off and free international shipping. That's free shipping with 20% off using promo code AEJC at manscaped.com/autoexpert. Manscaped, helping mankind, i.e. you and me, among others, elevate the aero and thermodynamic efficiency of our domes. And deep down, I'm pretty confident we all want that.